Let's take a real life look at what's inside my zero waste and somewhat minimalistic kitchen. First, we have our hosting cabinet, which has all of our compostable party utensils. Then we have my sink, which has all of my compostable dish scrub brushes, my dish soap block, and underneath the sink has all of my cleaning products. Then we have our dishware cabinet, which is pretty much all secondhand. These wooden bowls are vintage and all of our drinking cups are upcycled spaghetti jars. Our utensil drawer and a bunch of random jar lids. Then we have my food storage cabinet and some of my kitchen appliances. My husband's fancy dancy coffee machine and his coffee drawer, which has more kitchen appliances. And then we have our pantry, which you'll notice does have some plastic in here. I do try to stick to a 90% rule, so 90% of the things we get do come from the bulk bin. We have the fridge, which I can get into in another video. If you guys want to see it, let me know in the comments. The drawer that saved me close to $1,000 by now, my dish rag drawer with some empty containers for when I hit up the bulk bin, and my spice cabinet where I get almost everything exclusively from the bulk section. And then I have these smaller containers that I transfer everything into so they're easier to cook with. And then a random cabinet that has our blender and some little sentimental mugs. Pots and pans are here. And despite what you guys might believe about me, yes, I do have a junk drawer. I actually have two junk drawers. One has a bunch of random stuff in it, like produce rubber bands that I've been holding on to for years. And the other one has a bunch of random cords and batteries. And I do have one little kitchen splurge item in here. It is my ice maker. It's my one little splurge item that I allowed myself to get as a practicing minimalist. And all my other drawers and cabinets are pretty much empty. I hope this is helpful for you. Let me know in the comments which room in my house you'd like to see next.